Hello everyone, let's quickly take a look at these questions on the board from 2026 WAEC Mathematics. First, we have evaluate 2 log 4 plus 3 log 5 minus log 2. Let's write down the question. Solution, we have 2 log 4 plus 3 log 5 and minus log 2. Now, when you look at the question, you discover that they are all having a common base. But since the base is not even here, that means they are all having base 10. Now, we can rewrite this as log 4 to the power of 2 plus log 5 to the power of 3 minus log 2. And this is still the same thing as log 4 to the power of 2, that's log 16, plus log 5 to the power of 3, that's log 125, and minus log 2 will still remain log 2. Now, using law of logarithm, which says when you have log a base b plus log c base b, this is still the same thing as log a times c base b. That is, when you are having a common base, you will just pick one of the base, then you multiply the numbers, and from there we are going to have log 16 times 125 over 2. And by further simplification, 16 times 125, I think that should be 2000 over 2. Now 2000 divided by 2, that will be log 1000 base 10. Okay, all are in base 10. Okay, when you're having base 10, you can decide to write, or you can decide to just leave it to be that way. Now, this, using a relationship between logarithm and indices, we can change this to indices, and it becomes log 1000 base 10 is equal to x. Now we'll change this to index form or in indices form, and that becomes 10 to the power of x is equal to 1000. Now this is still the same thing as, now 1000 in index form, that will be 10 to the power of 3. Now, using law of indices, which says when you have a to the power of b is equal to a to the power of c. When you are having common base in indices, the law says the bases strikes out, leaving you with just the power. Now, applying the law here, this 10 and this 10 cancel out. Then we'll be left with x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Now, therefore, the answer to this question is 3. That's the correct answer. Thanks for watching. Now, if you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.